Camera shot type is the most basic concept in audio-visual language. I believe you are no stranger to it. Generally, different types of shots can bring audience different feelings and convey different messages. So today, let's discuss the types of camera shot sizes, their application scenarios, as well as how to change the types of shots in post-production. To put simply, camera shot sizes refer to how much of the subject is displayed within a given frame. Generally, there are 5 popular types of shot sizes. Firstly, it's the long shot. The picture looks vast. The subject appears small against the location. Then it's the full shot. The subject can just fill the frame. What's following by is the media shot. It usually shows the subject from the knees upwards. As for the media close-up shot, it shows the subject from the chest upwards. The last one is close-up. It shows the subject from the shoulders upwards or the details of the subject. Understanding the classification of shot size can help us make better use of it. Now let's analyze the features and application scenarios of these 5 shot sizes. A long shot gives a feeling of long distance. It can show the largest space. Many beautiful scenery videos are shot with their long shot, because a long shot usually makes the audience feel grand and vast. And in a movie, The Pianist, in addition to using long shots to introduce the environment, the big of the environment is also used to set off the small of the character. At this time, no more words are needed to describe the cruelty of war. Next, we come to the full shot. It can fully show the shape and movement of the subject, so it's mostly used to emphasize the relationship of people, as well as the relationship between people and the surroundings. This is one of the most used shot types in filmmaking. Then let's have a look at the media shot. It's great for storytelling. To compare it with the long shot and the full shot, the media shots can help clarify the subject and provide more details. Thus, it's often used to describe the actions and communications between the characters, showing their relationships and states. Then it's the media close-up shot. In a media close-up shot, the audience focuses on the appearance and subtle expressions of the characters. Therefore, the characters' personalities and inner emotions can be well displayed. Besides, a media close-up shot is commonly seen in news interview programs. It can make the interview video feel more immersive and interactive. Last, let's check out close-ups. In a close-up video, the surroundings environment is no more needed. The camera focuses on the details of the subject. These details can often show the audience the complex inner world of the characters, which feels more powerful. Shot size is pretty important in the pre-production stage. We need to plan and organize the shot sizes before shooting. However, sometimes we might also want to adjust the shot size in post-production. Luckily, it's easy to do by using VideoProc Flagger. There are 3 easy methods to achieve the target. Method 1. Drag the clip to the video track. Click on the Layout rectangle button. Drag our mouse to resize. Or we can go to the Inspector panel and find the Transform section. Adjust the scale and position. As for the second method, let's click on the crop icon located on the toolbar. We can choose the preferred aspect ratio, and then adjust the cropping box to build the needed shot size. After that, click on Apply to confirm the adjustments. Now let's take a look at the third method. We use the motion feature. In my case, I select the Zoom In preset. The software generates keyframes automatically. Adjust the parameters for the keyframe. We can find it's not just changing the camera shot size, but also showing the shot size gradually changes from one type to another, which gives a feeling of pushing and pulling the camera. Isn't it great? Alright, that's all for today. If you want to see more creative tutorials of different types and topics, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye!